Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I'm back with another Christmas card using the same stamp set from my previous video, and the stamp set is called Oh Holy Night from SumMore Fun. Before I color the church or the building, I will color the background first with Daniel Smith Phthalo Blue Green Shade watercolor paint. As usual, I will color my image with zig markers. There's not a lot of color involved on this one. I just did very simple coloring and no blending. The only ones I colored are the windows, tree, door, wreath, and the bushes. I'm going to splatter some white paint on our panel using Pentel white watercolor paint. I just mix a little bit of water to activate the paint and splatter it on my panel. I have my empty box to use for splattering so the paint doesn't go everywhere on my desk. I have all my stuff that I'm going to need for my light up card, so this is how I organize my LED lights, batteries, and other stuff that I use for light up cards. I house them in this small plastic bin organizer. I'm going to use Chibitronics for my LED lights, and the pack that I'm going to use has the red, blue, and yellow. I will be using yellow for this card today, so I'm gonna use 3 of the yellow LED lights. I also already cut and assemble my battery holder, and I store them in orange plastic storage. I will cut my copper foil tape in half because I don't need 1/4 inch wide to build my circuit. You can use as is, but I always cut mine to get more out of my tape. I trace the sides of my battery holder so I know where to adhere it. I will just adhere that with glossy accents, and that's not gonna go anywhere. I will trace the cut part with pencil so I know exactly where to place my lights. And then I added positive sign and negative sign on the battery holder, so I know which side is the plus sign and minus sign. I will add lines on each side, going to where I traced earlier for the lights. The lines is just to help us with the copper foil tape so I can adhere it straight on the paper. And then we can now adhere our LED lights. I fuzz with the lights until I get the right placement, and then I keep checking it if if it works or not. I will then add vellum on the back of the windows. I don't throw away my vellum scraps because I can use them on projects like this, and vellum paper is not cheap. Okay, so this is the second time. The first time I used foam tape is from the Dollar Tree, and it doesn't work. So I went to the store and bought this 3M foam tape, and this one is the only tape that works for me when I'm working with light up cards. The thickness of this foam tape is perfect for light up cards. I removed the release paper, but I remember to add the sentiment first. It will be hard to stamp a crisp sentiment if I already adhere my panel on my circuit, especially the sentiments are big. Tiny ones will be okay, I'm sure. I also went ahead and stamped pull here on the battery holder and colored it with cobalt blue zig marker. I will pull out my mini Misti because I want my sentiment to be crisp, so I will stamp it twice to get that crisp black stamp and use VersaFine Onyx Black ink. This ink is really good for stamping sentiments. And now we can adhere our panel on our A2 size top folding card base with our circuit. I added tiny sentiments that says push here so the recipient know where to push for the lights. And again, I'm gonna ink that up with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. For the inside of the card, I stamped a Christmas tree from the stamp set with green Memento Dewdrop ink, and I have a bowl of Christmas sentiments ready to use. So I just pick one that I like and cut that apart and adhere it next to the Christmas tree. And lastly, I have to add my name on the back of the card. And our light up card is finished. I love light up cards. It's my favorite interactive cards. I hope you like today's light up card that I made. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.